Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a level 10 account, 500 gold, and the stable unlocked. These unlock the jousting line. Once done, open your inventory and equip the starter saddle and lance so the joustmaster recognizes you. Travel to the northern arena at noon and accept the introductory challenge. This triggers the Chomik spawn timer. Make sure to keep your charm in the hotbar. It increases spawn chance and lets you start the capture sequence immediately. You now focus on the detailed capture routine. Time your parries precisely, press block about 0. 5 seconds before impact to stun the Chomik and open the chase. Once stunned, switch to your speed gear, boots +2 to keep pace. This prevents escape and conserves stamina. During the lure minigame, match 3 icons within 10 seconds to lower its aggression. Do this quickly but deliberately, because consecutive misses increase flee chance. As you complete each step, monitor stamina and swap in a healing potion if needed. You finish by executing the capture window. When the Chomik shows the calm animation, deploy the capture net within 2 seconds to guarantee success. After capture, immediately place it in your stable and tag it as jousting to apply bonus experience and equipment synergies. If you need to train it, do short sessions to avoid aggression spikes. If things go wrong and it flees, leave the arena for 3 minutes to reset the spawn timer. Then repeat the capture routine with improved timing and a fully charged charm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.